Now this is the alcohol. This is the alcohol. This is the metal paper. Metal paper. It's 0.008. Now with the alcohol and the paper to cut the LCD and the frame. Then the wire will be easy to cut the OCA, the glue, the bank glue. Now I will show you how to use the wire to cut the glue and to separate the LCD and the frame. Now this is the wire. The wire is 0.05. Now the temperature is 105. Here is a flame cable. Now we do it like this. The wire is this corner, and the wire is this corner. Then do like this. We will cut the flame cable. Okay, this corner have glue, and this corner we do it like this. Use the wire this corner to this corner to cut the corner glue. This color is the same method. Okay. To this corner, we'd better use the wire. Take care. Don't use the wire to cut the flame cable. Now I will show you how to separate the LCD and the frame. Okay, it's very easy to separate it.